Welcome back to my channel, where today we're going to explore the incredible advancements being made in the world of artificial intelligence. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is changing the way we live and work in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. In our first segment, we'll take a closer look at how AI is being used in healthcare. From identifying diseases to developing personalized treatment plans, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach medicine. And as we continue to develop more advanced AI technologies, the potential for improved health outcomes is truly limitless. Next up, we'll explore how AI is transforming the way we work. From automating repetitive tasks to analyzing complex datasets, AI is enabling us to work smarter and more efficiently than ever before. And with the ongoing shift towards remote work and virtual collaboration, AI is becoming an increasingly essential tool for businesses around the world. In our third segment, we'll dive into the world of autonomous vehicles. From cars to drones, the use of AI to power self-driving machines is rapidly expanding. And while there are still challenges to overcome, the potential for safer and more efficient transportation is truly remarkable. Moving on to our fourth segment, we'll take a closer look at the potential societal implications of AI. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, we'll need to grapple with questions around privacy, ethics, and the impact on jobs and the economy. It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but one thing is clear. We need to be proactive in shaping the future of AI, rather than simply reacting to its development. And finally, in our conclusion, we'll reflect on the incredible potential of AI to transform our world for the better. From improving healthcare outcomes to reducing environmental impact, AI is poised to make a significant impact on our lives in the years to come. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest developments in the world of AI, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.